Hello guys, I was thinking about one idea. Can indicator calculate some indicators as tester and show us how much he can gain a points and fixed loss size if he trade this, how much it will be a money. So I already coded this. I will show you. So I use fast EMA and slow EMA. We have periods. We start from 2 periods up to 50, it will be fast EMA, and 5 period up to 100 period. This will be slow EMA. So it will be EMA crosses first, 2 EMA, and this indicator most calculated history in 1000 bars. Calculate these crosses and pick up such variation that will be the best curve of our virtual trading. I will use 0.01 lot. Also I will use RSI 2 period and 30 period, and it must use the step. It means he must run all these EMA crosses between 2 and 50, between 5 and 100 periods crosses to EMA, and it must run from 2 up to 30 periods of RSI and show us such combination that will be the best at this history of the bars, and find us in footer some equity curve. So let's try to do it. I'm using default set as I show you in code. Let's see how fast and how many tests it can do. It must tell us profit in pips and how many times he calculate this, how many combinations. I mean, need to wait some time. I mean, does the MT5 can do it? That's the question. Look what he did. He did 2 million tests. 2 million tests. Imagine this just now in 15 seconds. It's crazy. And 1000 bars back look back, and what it did. He say the best EMA for M15 at XAO USD is fast 28 and 53 is the slow. RSI period 10, the buy level 52, sell level 48. It means if RSI below 48 it's a sell signal, if higher 52 it's a buy. In this case he filtered between 48 up to 52. This is his range. We not trade, better not trade in such range. And the profit is 1000, almost $2000, and the points is the same because cost of pip at XAO USD for 2 digits like Forex, 100 points for such lot size 0.01 give us $1. This is this is M15. Okay, it's too much. XAO USD chart window M1, and there is this is 100 points. It give us $1 if we open 0.01. And how much it jumped yesterday? Friday crazy trends. How much it jumped yesterday? Yesterday it jumped 300 pips. 3000 pips or 300 pips, I think, yesterday. Yeah, 300 pips. So in points it's 30,000, but in pips it's 300. Crazy volatility. Okay. And equity tell us how much. Almost 2,000. Yeah, almost $1,000. So what he did in equity, he think this is position loss. See, this was a loss. Then he opened also loss. Then bigger profit. Then range loss again. Here was loss. Then he started to give a buy. And see, it's when he open a sell and price goes down, equity goes up. It's correct. He calculate everything correct. When he keeps sell position from this point to this point, he must have a loss equity. Where is this loss equity? I not see it. Not. Yeah, there is a loss equity, then up equity because price goes down with sell position. All correct. And there is push up when he keep the sell position, the equity goes down, but when he close it all and the buy correct, then he sell, equity grow, then price grow, equity down because sell position, all correct. So this is interesting that we can make 2 million calculations using imagine how many combinations he can do here, only using 3 indicators, 2 EMA and 1 RSI. And just interesting, if we enter 5,000 bars, can he make something, or it will be not a profit at all? We need to wait more. Just interesting stuff. Also interesting that in last build of MetaTrader we have they have added on an X. This is machine learning stuff. It's supported by Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon. They use it and they update the database and libraries. It's interesting. I didn't knew that MetaQuotes support such libraries. The most important part, you don't need to connect any Python to MetaTrader. It's directly can be used in MQL, not need to connect any other programming stuff. This is interesting. Oh, it's take a long time. Let's see what happens. I used first version was only 2 EMA, it's calculate really fast, but with RSI it's make more combinations. See, more input parameters you need to optimize, more bigger time you need to find optimized set. Just interesting. Yeah, it's calculated. All right. So what do we have? The profit at 5,000 bars is the same as at 1,000 bars. Interesting. EMA 43 fast, 54 slow EMA. RSI only at the center. It's a higher 50 plus zone and sell zone below 50 in the RSI period 28. Profit also the same as we did at 1000 bars. See, it's loose in range a lot. See this? There is range, he lose everything. Yeah, this is lose trades in range. But he recovered in trends. And totally different parameters for 5000 bars and 1000 bars. So more history you take, less profit you receive with the same strategy. Interesting stuff. I don't know how to use it, guys. How it can be used in big volatility. It's nice. It shows if use 100 bars, what will happen. Same lot size. And no matter how many bars you input with the same set file, only if you change the bars input, the total cycles will be the same, because it depends from step and how many indicators we use and periods. I mean these periods, if I'll enter here, for example, 200, there was 2 million, now it's became 5 millions. Imagine this. I only added 100 periods into one EMA. Imagine this. Crazy. Can it be used as a straight signal? That's the most important, interesting part of this. So at 100 bars we have almost 400 profit. Interesting.